but the season of insufficient snowfall is back again, torturing us with vivid colors in bush and bright lights in sky. But with great recipe, Boris here to help. So of course, we're making soup. This is not your grandparents' borscht, no. Enough of this stuff, you can fight global warming yourself. But how do you make a pink soup? Easy! You take red soup and leave it in the sun. We all know there's too much of that. Whew, 40 degrees. And if you're lazy enough, you can get away with not boiling anything at all. Let's begin! Hey, look, huh? Upgrades. So, you have decided to make cold soup instead of installing air conditioning like you promised. Smart, and I get it. Slamming down ice cold drinks can only get you that far. Before you need to introduce something less liquid. This was full this morning. We start with the most important part, the beets. Ask yourself, if you're not marinating your beets before use, are you cooking at all? Big hole, big flavor. Add a bit of punch with some white vinegar, some white salt, and sugar. The color I leave to you. Heat up some eggs in a liquid of your own choice. And throw in the potatoes as well. Or cook them separately if you feel like spending big this month. Pour the buttermilk into container, bucket, barrel, bathtub, or just skip this step and make the soup in the buttermilk container itself. Season the buttermilk now, so you do not have to smash around like a ponies later on unnecessarily. Use the trusty egg machine or smash egg with hand, hammer or fist because you will not notice difference in the soup. Practice your negotiating skills with potatoes and water. Tip of knife going smooth. Potato ready. But if you hear, you may have just boiled your shoes instead. Start over. Ha! That's not even a bush. That's the whole tree! Small cubes of green health stick and pink foam of pig help to add nutritional value. But let's be honest, the true value comes from the everything you add on the side. Roast potatoes, roast egg, roast dill from the heavens, roast white mystery liquid from the sky, bread, butter, salt, even some leftover meat from last night's grill. I mean, basically, adding that much stuff actually makes this more of a side salad than anything else. But this no matter, because I enjoy mine in a state of solid. Actually, this turned much better than I thought. Okay, get ready. Cooking with Door is next. Come on, enable notifications now. Resubscribe if YouTube kicked you out all those years ago. And I will see you soon. Good night. Save some later.